Hi, this is Teacher John Lard and welcome to this video. Today, we'll be discussing about factoring quadratic where the leading coefficient a is equal to 1. A quadratic expression ax squared plus bx plus c has a degree of 2 since the highest exponent is 2 and therefore b consisting of 2 factors. How do we factor this kind of expression? For example, factor x squared plus 6x plus 8 completely. So this is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. And the value of a is 1, the value of b is 6, the value of c is 8. First step is, you list all the possible factors of c, where c is 8, and 8 could be achieved through 1 times 8, or the product of negative 1 and negative 8, or the product of 2 and 4, or the product of negative 2 and negative 4. So these are the factors of 8. Now, note that your b is 6. Now from these factors, you choose which of these factors will give us the sum of 6, since the value of b is 6. And here you go. The factors that fit this 6 could be 2 and 4. Therefore, the expression x squared plus 6x plus 8 could be factored into x plus 2 times x plus 4. Next one. Factor x squared minus 9x plus 20 completely. So the value of a is 1, the value of b is negative 9, the value of c is 20. First step, list all the possible factors of c, and your c is 20. The 20 could be achieved through the product of 1 and 20, or the product of negative 1 and negative 20, or the product of 2 and 10, or the product of negative 2 and negative 10, or the product of 4 and 5, and lastly it could be in the product of negative 4 and negative 5. So these are the possible factors of your c. Note that your b is negative 9. Now choose which of these factors will give you the sum of negative 9. And this could be the factors which are negative 4 and negative 5. Because when you add negative 4 and negative 5, it will give us negative 9. Here you go. Therefore, the expression x squared minus 9x plus 20 could be factored into x minus 4 times x minus 5. Last one. Factor x squared plus 12x minus 28 completely. So the values of a, b, and c are 1, 12, and negative 28 respectively. So first step is you list the possible factors of c, where your c is negative 28. And this could be achieved through the product of 1 and negative 28, or the product of negative 1 and 28, or 2 and negative 14, or else negative 2 and 14. You also have the product of 4 and negative 7, and lastly negative 4 and positive 7. So these are the factors of c. Note that your b is 12. Which of these factors of negative 28 will give us the sum of 12? And here you go. 12 could be achieved by adding negative 2 and positive 14. Therefore, this is the factor that should be used to factor this expression. Thus, x squared plus 12x minus 28 could be factored into x minus 2 times x plus 14. Alright, so this would be the process on how to factor the expression of quadratic where the leading coefficient is just 1. I hope you learned something about this video today, and if you do so, please try to solve these problems. Thank you so much.